Hello friends, welcome to my channel iLearning. In this video we are going to study about the Charak Sutristan third Adhyay, that is Tarakvadadi Adhyay. Here we know that Charak Samhita is explained, the Sutristan is explained in Chatushka format. So the Aragvad Adhyay is included under the Bheshaj Chatushka. Bheshaj means medicine. So we know that the first four adhyayas are included in the Bheshaj Chatushka, that is all are related about the medicine. Then the Bheshaj is of three types. We see the three types given here are Antaparimarjan, Bahiparimarjan and Shastradi Sadhya. So these are the three types. Now this Aragvadadi Adhyay is included under this Bahiparimarjan. The kalpas mentioned in this Adhyay are included under Bahiparimarjan Aushadha. So all these lepas, the main content of this Adhyay is the lepa, churna and pradeya. So all these are Bahiparimarjan kalpas or methods. So the most important point about this Adhyay is the total number of this lepa, churna or the pradeyas. So the total number of lepas mentioned in this Adhyay are 32. Making a big round circle, you should never ever forget this sankhya, that is the 32. 32 is the total number of lepas mentioned in third Adhyay of the Sutristan, that is the Aragvad Adhyay. And here the classification, how this 32 lepas are mentioned. So we see that there are certain categories or certain types of lepas are mentioned according to the indications, that is for Kushtahar, Vatavikarhar, Daha Shama, Kudarshul Nashak. All these are the vyadis in which the lepas are used. So the number, this 32 is again divided here within this 11 categories. So the most important number we should remember is about the Kushtagna. The Kushtagna lepas are 15. The biggest number is 15 in all this classification. So we have to remember it as the largest number of lepas are for the Kushtagna purpose. I remember this number because my birth date is 15, so it is easy for me to learn that the Kushtagna lepas are 15. Then again here the 15 sankhya is divided into points. There are 6 Siddhi lepas and remaining 9 are just other ones. So this is what we have to give attention here is the Kushtagna lep is again divided into two types. There are 6 Siddha Churna lepas mentioned in the first 5-7 shlokas. We see in the first the shlokas there are the Siddha lepas mentioned, the Shata Siddha lepa. Then we move towards other lepas. We have BV stands for Vatvikara, VR stands for Vatarakta. I have written them in short form only. So Vatavikara, here I have written 15. So consider this 5. Then we have to write here 4 in decreasing order, 3, 2 is repeated, 2, 2, and remaining all of the following are 1. Each of them are in 1 quantity. So here we see that 15 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, and this all 1, that means the 6 one. Total becomes 32. So here we have to just remember the first 5 lepas, that Kushtagna are 15, for Vatvikara they are 4, for Vatarakta they are 3, for Daha Shama 2, Shirashul Nashak 2, and then again Udarshul Nashak, Parshashul Nashak, Shita Nashak, Vishagna, Svedahar Prakarsha and Durgandha Nashak, they are 1. Means each 1. So this total becomes 32. This is the most important point we should remember about the Charak Sutristan third Adhyay. Then other points we should not skip them. There are the Shata Siddha lepa. I have just told that from the 15, 6 are Shata Siddha lepa for the Kushtagna purpose. So there the Bhavna Dravya is mentioned for this Shata Siddha lepa, that is the Gorochan. This Dravyas from the Shata Siddha lepa are given the Bhavna of Gorochan. Then after it is mixed with the Sarshaptail and applied over the affected part. Then we see the Tushodak. Tushodak is also explained in the Kushtanashak lepas. It is mentioned in the Manashiladi lepa. Then Vesavar. Veswar, it is mentioned in the 19th shloka, that is the Vatahar Lepa. We have to remember that there is a one non-veg lep. That means it is all made up of the Anupmas and Matsya, so I have named it as a non-veg lep. Just to remember that the Veswar made up of Anupmas and Matsya is used in the Vatahar Lepa. So just as a trick purpose, I have written here non-veg lep. Then again, there is also one Patra lep. It is not named as Patra lep, but there are 3 Patras are mentioned. It is used. It is a Kushtanashak lep. That 3 Patras are of Aragvat, Kakmachi, and Kaner. AKK, I have written it. You can remember as Kak, or you can just simply remember as the AK square. That is the Aragvat, Kakmachi, and Kaner. Then there is the Vishagna lep. It is the most easy one to remember as it has only 2 contents, that is the Shirish and the Sindhuvar. Sindhuvar means Nirgundi. So Vishagna lep is made up of Shirish and Sindhuvar. It is the easy one to remember. We should not skip to learn that the Vishagna leps contain Shirish and Sindhuvar. This is my favorite one also. Then the Manashila, the repetitions. We see that in this 32 lepas, the Dravya Manashila is repeated 5 times. It means in 5 lepa, Manashila is explained as the Ghatak Dravya. Then Yava is repeated 3 times. So all these are the must know points from the Charak Sutristan 3rd Adhyay. In detail we will study in next video. So all for today, just don't forget that the total number of lepa in Charak Sutristan 3rd Adhyay is 32. Then Kushtagna are 15. Then Shatasiddha lepa have the bhavna of Gorochan. Non-veg lep is there, Patra lep is there, Vishagna lep is of only 2 contents, that is the Shirish and the Sindhuvar, that is Nirgundi. And Pragharsha, here the Swedhar Pragharsha. I just forgot to mention that here one Pragharsha is mentioned in the 32 lepa, that is the Swedhar Pragharsha. So thanks for watching the video. This is all about the Charak Sutristan 3rd Adhyay. Most important points I have covered. In detail we will see in next video. So till then, thank you and have a nice time.